trap. And the very first time we did it, he was like, "What are you doing?" I said, "Getting dinner." And he goes, "Is this legal?" I said, "Well, it depends on how you look at it." And I said, "It's just consider it a Bahamian contribution to tourism." And I said, "They want us to come over, so they have to contribute to us, you know, to come over and spend money." So he's like nervous Nelly. I swear to God, poor Italian. All he's doing is looking at the sky for airplanes, looking on horizon for boats. And I was like, "Phil, you're 90 miles from nowhere. Who the hell do you think's going to be out here, right?" So we pull the first trap, okay? And there's like a dozen tails in there, right? Lobsters and stuff. And all of a sudden it's like, "Oh, look, there's another one." I said, "Boy, you changed your attitude already, didn't you?" "Look, there's another one."